Hello and welcome to One and All Present. My name is Lakshya Dolly and I'm an intern at Lexis & Co. I'm a third year law student at New Law College, Pune, and the topic of the day is patent laws in India. Patent is an exclusive right granted to anyone for an intervention in other words, it is right given to a product for a process which generally provides a new way of doing something or offers new technical solutions to a problem. The Indian Patents Act and Designs Act 1911 was adopted in 1911, marking the beginning of country's patent legislation. The current Patents Act 1970 came into effect in 1972, updating and combining the old patent laws in India. The Patent Act of 1970 was changed again in 2005 with the Patents Amendment Act, which expanded the scope of product patents to include food, pharmaceutical chemicals, microorganisms, etc. The clause relating to the exclusive marketing rights, which is also known as EMRs, have been deleted as a result of the modification and provision allowing for the issue of a compulsory license has been added. Pre-grant and post-grant opposition measures have also been added to the law. In India, a patent can be applied to a new product or technique that involves an innovative step and is capable of industrial use. It must not, however, fall in the category of one patentable innovation as designed by Section 3 and 4 of the Indian Patents Act 1970. A patent application can be filed in India by the true and first inventor or his assignee, either alone or jointly. Technical information concerning the innovation must be given to the public in patent application in order to get a patent. Within 48 months of the date of priority of the application or the date of filing of the application, a request for the examination must be filed with the Indian Patent Office for examination of the application. The applicant is given the option to respond to the objection raised in the initial examination report when it is issued. The applicant must meet the requirement within 6 months of receiving the first examination report, which may be extended for additional 3 months at the applicant's request. If the applicant fails to comply with the requirements of the first examination report within the prescribed time frame of 9 months, the application is considered abandoned. The patent is rewarded and published in the Patent Office Journal after all the objections have been resolved and requirements have been met. Because India is a signatory at both Paris Convention for Protection of Industrial Property in 1883 and Patent Cooperative Treaty (PCT) 1970, a foreign corporation can also use either treaty to file a patent application in India. If an application for a patent in respect of an intervention has been filed in convention country, the applicant for the legal representative or assignee of such a person can file a similar application for a patent in India within 12 months of the date of which the basic application was filed in the convention country, that is the home country. In this scenario, the priority date is the day on which the basic application was filed. The following are some of the reasons for filing pre and post grant opposition. First, patent obtained is in an anonymous manner. Second, publication in advance. Third, before the priority date of such claim, the invention was publicly known or publicly used in India. Fourth, the innovation is self-evident and requires no inventive step. Fifth, the subject of any claim is not an invention as defined by this Act or is not patentable as defined by this Act. Inadequate disclosure of the invention or the method of carrying it out. In case of the patent reward in the convention application, the patent application was not filed within 12 months of the date and the initial application protection of the invention in convention of the country or in India. The full specification fails to reveal or incorrectly mention the measures or geographical origin of the basic material used. The innovation was foreseen based on oral written knowledge available in local or indigenous group in India or abroad. Patent grants a set of rights if a patent is granted for a product. The patentee of the right has to ban others in India from creating, using, offering, or selling, or importing the patented product. If the patent is for a method, the patentee has the right to prevent others from using the product directly produced by the method, offering for sale, selling, or importing the product directly obtained by the method in India. In India, patent infringement procedures can only be started after the patent has been granted, but they can include a claim that the date dates back to the date of publication of the patent application. Infringement of a patent occurs when someone makes import, uses, offers for sale, or sells a patent invention without permission in India. Only a civil action can be filed in the court of law under the Indian Patents Act 1970. Furthermore, a suit for infringement can be opposed on a variety of grounds, including the grounds that a patent can not be granted in India. Revocation of the patent can be requested based on such defense. That's all. Thank you.